Hot, fresh knowledge for your brain. Let me tell you about the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, also known as Point Nemo. Point Nemo is the furthest you can get from land in any of the Earth's oceans, the literal middle of nowhere. It's also the location of the fictional underwater city Relief from H.P. Lovecraft's famous short story, The Call of Cthulhu. It sits here in the southern part of the South Pacific Gyre, which means there aren't a lot of currents, which means nutrients don't move in and out of the point, which means there isn't a lot of life here. It's basically dead. There is simply nothing for the food web to anchor onto. If you've heard one thing online about Point Nemo already, it's probably this little factoid that the people who regularly come closest to Point Nemo are the astronauts on board the International Space Station. That's true, it's also a little misleading, or it's a missed opportunity. It undersells how remote Point Nemo is. The ISS is about 254 miles up, and Point Nemo is 1,680 miles from land. A better ISS Point Nemo fact is that this is where we're gonna throw the ISS when we're done with it. That sounds super crazy, but this is actually a thing. Because it receives so little maritime traffic, and because it doesn't have a lot going on ecologically, Point Nemo and the area around it is considered a safe place to crash used spacecraft. In fact, some people even call it the spacecraft cemetery. So the TLDR on this video is, in about a decade, we're gonna throw the ISS at Cthulhu, and I hope he likes it.